So in this video you seen adjective. In last video you have to be learned about the noun and its types: common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun. That's all you have to be learned in that last video. So today you have to be learn something about the adjective. So now we study their parts and their definitions and how to write down the examples. Complete that homework we have to be seen here in this video. So adjective types and forms. Adjective is a word that tells us something more about noun. It is describe the word, add something to the meaning of the noun. Adjective is a word that tells us something about more about द नाउन. नावाबद्दल अधिक माहिती सांगणाऱ्या वर्ड्सला आपण ॲडजेक्टिव्ह असं म्हणतो. आणि देर आर सम टाइप्स ऑफ देअर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह हिअर, देअर फॉर्म्स ऑल्सो. टाइप्स ऑफ ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वालिटी, quantity, numbers. That's are the forms we have to be discussed here. Adjective of quality. This shows the kind of quality a person, place, animal, thing, etc. So Prince was strong man. How that Prince was, that became the strong. That is the quality we have to be seen. Mumbai is the busy city. The busy became the quality of that Mumbai or city. The furious lion stared at me in anger. That furious lion, that has to be tell something about the noun, is called adjective. The beautiful vases fell down the broken into twos. तर इथं नावाबद्दल अधिक माहिती इथं सांगितलं. द मॅनबद्दल, प्रिन्सबद्दल, बिझी सिटी, थिंग्सबद्दल माहिती सांगितलेलं. द क्वालिटी ऑफ ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. दिस शोज हाऊ मच इन दिस ऑफ द थिंग्स इज डिस्क्राइब. शी did not drink any milk. How much she did not drink any milk. This wasted the whole days watching TV. How much she wasted on watching TV whole days. That is the answer getting by the adjective of quality. The adjective of quality हे कशी ओळखायचं तर तुम्हाला इथं सांगतो. दॅट अंडरलाईन पार्ट. चिल्ड्रन्स मस्ट गेट इनफ एक्सरसाइज डेली. हाऊ मच चिल्ड्रन्स गेट exercise daily. Enough. That's are the adjective of quality. तर adjective of quality कसं ओळखायचं तर तुम्हाला त्याच्यावरून ओळखतात. What kind of that man that became strong. So adjective of numbers. Numbers, numeral adjective. This shows the how many, किती प्रमाणात. That's numbers shows that adjective. Things of person are meant and the order to in which it stand. This can be defined 3 second, in definite 3 second, indefinite few, some, many. तर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर. तर इथं तुम्हाला हाऊ मेनी, किती प्रमाण. देर वर 10 mangoes in the basket. How many mangoes there were in the basket? 10. It was the first time I had seen I play. How many time it was I had seen that movie in first. That is first, 10 and many. That's are the adjective of number. You will be taught many things in the school. How many times you will be taught the things in the school? Many times. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वालिटी, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वांटिटी ही आपल्याला मिळवता येऊ शकते. The same adjective may be used adjective of quality, quantity and adjective of number. There is some water left in the bucket. The quantity. Some students are making a noise. Number, sums. Adjective form. You can make adjective out of others words by adding suffixes and prefixes. Sometimes you have to make some changes in the spelling before the adding. Here ful, harm, added ful suffixes. Mercy, full, ful, that became the adjective. Less, harm, less. Merciless, while, added here. Cloudy, ast, childish, greenish, gifted, talented, personal, social, ous, spacious, glorious, albous, here, sensible, horrible, able, so breakable, comparable, IVE, active, attentive, ARY, stationary, customary, LY, lonely, friendly. That's our word. Wise, INGRA, and make that adjective. So, in this particular types of adjective, you have to learn adjective quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of numbers. So, we have to be some exercise here. You will be do by your own. So there is an exercise. Underline the adjective in sentence. Underline the adjective in the sentence. You have to be find out the here particularly the some adjectives. तुम्हाला इथं ॲडजेक्टिव्ह शोधायचे आहेत क्वालिटी क्वांटिटी आणि नंबरचे आणि ते अंडरलाईन करून मला पाठवायचे आहेत. राईट द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह फॉर्म्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. तर हा ॲडजेक्टिव्हचा कोणता प्रकार आहे? वेदर दॅट इज the quality, quantity and number. You have to be find and write here. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjective form in given the bracket. तर इथं तुम्हाला विशिष्ट पद्धतीचे वर्ड्स दिलेले आहेत आणि ते तुम्हाला विशिष्ट ॲडजेक्टिव्ह विशिष्ट ब्लँकमध्ये सुद्धा फिलअप करायचे आहेत आणि ते मला व्यवस्थित पाठवायचे सुद्धा आहेत. So these are the some examples. Fill in the blanks with proper adjective form of the words in the bracket. तर ब्रॅकेटमध्ये प्रॉपर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह फॉर्म सुद्धा इथं भरायचं आहे. ते भरून तुम्ही मला पाठवू शकतात. तर आपण पहिल्यांदा नाउन बघितलं, आता ॲडजेक्टिव्ह बघितलं, त्याच्यानंतर आपण बघणार आहोत ॲडव्हर्ब. तर ॲडव्हर्बची डेफिनेशन काय, त्याचे प्रकार काय, ते सुद्धा आपण याच्यातून बघणार. So adverbs and adverbial. Adverb. An adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Adverb is a word that tells us something about the verb. An adjective and another adverb in a sentence. Adverb हे एखाद्या वर्बबद्दल, ॲडजेक्टिव्हबद्दल आणि ॲडवर्बबद्दल सुद्धा सांगत असतं. इट टेल्स अस हाऊ, वेन, वेअर, हाऊ ऑफन, इन व्हॉट डिग्री समथिंग हॅपन. That's the way we have to be find out their particular examples. Kinds of adverb. So adverb हा सोपा समजाल, त्याच्या नावावरून आपण तो टाईप हा ॲडवर्बचा ओळखत असतो. Adverb of manner. This tells us how much, how and in what manner something happen. Example: easily, quickly, boldly, tiredly, lovely, well, fast. Sentence: the little girl spoke softly to the cat. How the little girl spoke to the cat? The answer is softly. That is the adverb of manner. Adverb of place. Tell us where something is happen. तर ॲडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेसमध्ये आपल्याला प्लेसचं, ठिकाणचं, विशिष्ट ठिकाणचं आपल्याला माहिती मिळत असते. एक्झाम्पल: आउटसाइड, इनसाइड, अप, डाऊन, हिअर, देअर, एक्सेट्रा. दॅट इज द ॲडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. Sentence: all the children walked in. Where all the children walked? Answer is in. That is the adverb of place. So adverb of time. This tells us when something is happen. तर ह्या ॲडवर्ब ऑफ टाईममध्ये आपल्याला वेळ दर्शवला. टुडे, एस्टरडे, नाव, सून, बिफोर, आफ्टर, एक्सेट्रा. सेंटेन्स: द परफॉर्मन्स विल मीट फॉर अ डिस्कशन टुडे. When the performance will meet for a discussion? Answer is today. That is the example of adverb of time. तर adverb of frequency. This tells us how often an action take place. Example: never, rarely, often, seldom, hardly, frequently, etc. That's are the adverb of frequency. Example sentence: the school often takes the students for picnic. How often the picnic takes to the students? Often, kadi kadi. The frequency. Adverb of degree. This tells us strength and intensity of action. तर एखाद्या ॲक्शनचे इंटेन्सिटी इथं मेन्शन केली जाते. Very, quite, more, almost. The pizza is too hard. How much this pizza is? too hard. That is the adverb of degree. So now all the students, I think we have to be, you have to learn that all very well. So we have learned here adverb manner, adverb place, time, frequency, adverb degree, reason. There are many more. Adverb of position of adverb. Depending upon the types of adverb can be places in beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence and end of the sentence. Strangely, the thief broke the open the lock. I rarely work on my book at night. Take off my coat and sit down. Strangely, rarely, that's down. That's are the adverb position that mentioned in the sentences. Adverbial, that is the new topic for most of the students. A word, phrase, clause does not worse an adverbial. It's called adverbial. Word, phrase, or clause that does the work of adverb, that is called adverbial. adverb सारखं काम करणाऱ्या शब्दाला, फ्रेजला, क्लॉजला आपण adverbial म्हणतो. We arrive at concert early. We arrived the concrete before the time. We arrived at the concert before at the time. That's are the parts of adverbs. Adverbial. Exercise, speak out the adverbs from the following sentences and put them down the correct column. So there are some sentences you have to be find out the example of adverbs and adverbs of. So you have to be write down in that particular column. If there is mournfully, the mournfully became the manner, that has to write on that place. You can write at time related to adverb that are there. Underline the adverbial of the following sentences. तर ॲडवर्बियल तुम्हाला त्या सेंटेन्सचं अंडरलाईन करून पाठवायचं आहे. So now fill in the blanks with correct words in from the brackets. तर ब्रॅकेटमधून करेक्ट वर्ड तुम्हाला इथं लिहायचं आहे आणि तुम्हाला व्यवस्थितरित्या पाठवायचं आहे. So now let us stop here with that particular parts of speech of adverb and adjectives. Thank you. You have to be learned very well and write down in your notebook and send me in my personal number. Thank you.